Hey there, so in this video we'll be going over vulnerability management. First we'll look at the introduction here. So, you just have to read it, acknowledge it. Task 2 here, it's asking you about vulnerability management and what that encompasses. Vulnerability scanning, which is pretty much self-explanatory as far as what it does. And then the difference between the overall vulnerability management and then secure vulnerability scanning, which is subcomponent of that. And so the process encompassing vulnerability scanning and other factors such as risk acceptance is called vulnerability management. That's how you would determine to manage the vulnerabilities. All right, task 3, vulnerability classification. This one just gives you an overview of the common vulnerability and exposures. So MITRE actually assigns CVEs, and then MVD will then assess those CVEs and assign a common configuration enumeration. So that's for operating systems. They create a list of configuration vulnerabilities for those operating systems. Then you have the common platform enumeration, which let's see here, identifies security weaknesses and operating systems and application types inside an infrastructure, widely used in security vulnerability management tools to identify various assets and to take automated decisions through the correlation of CVEs and CCEs, right? And then you have the CVSS, which is a score that quantifies the severity of the vulnerability. And then here's the scaling of that scoring system. And Dimensional Vulnerability Database, which is managed by NIST and Department of Homeland Security, will provide these metrics on their website, the National Vulnerability Database. And so if we want to determine what is the CVSS score of this CV here, then we would just pull up and Google the CVE, and then here you can see the information. It's a 4.6, it's a medium. And as for the attacks complexity, it's low right here. As you can see, it says AC goes low. And so we'll go ahead and put that there for attacks complexity, and the overall value of it, the CVSS score. And then what year did this CV get assigned? And you can see that's based off of this year value. So CV 2023, that's the year it was published. All right, by MVD, of course. Could come out sooner, could come out later, but that's the year it was published by MVD. So let's go ahead and scroll up. Or published by MITRE, right? So MITRE's the ones that actually, keep track of it, and MVD's the one that scales it. All right, so vulnerability management lifecycle, discover and prioritized. All right, so I'll go ahead and read through this one. Looks like we're going to be messing with what's this application called? It looks like a vulnerability scanner. Okay, cool. So I'm going to start it. Let that load. I'll just use the machine in here. And give that a second. Pause the video. All right, for this one, we'll be using the attack box. And I'm just going to open up Chrome here, or actually Firefox. They give you a URL that you can enter, and that'll get you into the vulnerability scanner. See if it lets me go. Oh, that works better. Before you have to do it, you have to add it to a clipboard. Now you could just go in like that. All right, cool. Admin. Cool. Let's save that. All right, cool. So we're gonna add a target here. Just gonna let's go back to targets. Figure this one out. I totally messed that up. So I don't know why it says Windows and it doesn't work for me. So when I start a new one here, I don't know, I name it something else like Windows 2 or something like that. Because there's a radio Windows task there. Two. All right, scan target. It doesn't give me that option. That's weird. Manual 10.10.183.8. Of course, I forgot the dots. There we go. All right, cool. So we got this one right here. Click on task. Next, open the scan menu and click on the task. So that's the new target. Click on scan menu, task. I don't see it here. Where's it supposed to be? Add task. Okay. Supposed to. Oh, I see. Okay, so you add the target, then you add the task. Oh, okay, this makes sense now. Okay, that's what I was doing wrong. 2. Scanning Windows. Scan target. Now the scan target I should put Windows task 2, right? So, and that looks good. Click save. Now Windows task 2 comes up here. Now I run it. Okay. It did it. Then we just wait for this to finish. All right, then we go to scan reports. And we can see I messed it up again. I'm not seeing anything here. See NA. Why am I seeing NA? Did I do wrong? Unless it's not scanning the correct targets. Unless that is the target. Might make sense. I don't know. Let's go back one. Let's try pinging it. All right, let's see it. Oh, that is my target. That's my IP address. The one I'm scanning. Let's go back up here. Okay, maybe it's this one. Maybe this is the report we're supposed to be looking at. Let me take a look here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yes, it's actually for mediums. That's 80. No, that's not it. must be doing something wrong. Doing wrong. All right, so let's go back to targets. So here, edit the targets. Key address there. Huh. Saved it. Scan targets. Scanning Windows targets. I notice this one has a star next to it. Mine does not have a star next to it. Okay. Table. So weird. All right, well, that is not working for me. So anyhow, it wants us to look at this Linux output for this Linux task. So we just need to go to scan reports. And then for the Linux one, it's right here, they've got one medium. So that's actually it. Yeah, there you go. What is this very score for the ICMP timestamp? Let's check a look. Words. Here. All right, great. And results. All right, it's asking for the timestamp one here. So it's very score. Looks like a 2.1. It's 2.1 right there. What is the operating system and version number of the target machine? Target machine. Let's see. Host. Does it tell me which operating system? Yeah, here we go. So looks like it's a Linux. Trying to understand which version it wants. I think it's just Linux 2.20.4. Nope, it's not liking that. Oh, Ubuntu. I think that's, of course, that's what it's asking for. Yeah. Yeah, see, it says Ubuntu right there. That's what it's asking for right there. Yeah, sorry we couldn't get the scan running, guys. Not sure what I was doing wrong, but I mean, I put the information like the way they told me to. It just wasn't working. So, task 5, vulnerability management lifecycle. So third phase involves creating a risk baseline by evaluating your assets and determining how severe each one is. The process lets organizations decide how risk is eliminated based on factors such as their classification, criticality level, and vulnerability level. In the long run, assessments help organizations establish a consistent baseline. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, download the Linux app task report in PDF form. What is its very rating of the vulnerability in the report, where the solution type is workaround. Ability. All right, so here. See, it looks like we can export it here somewhere. Filters. Maybe we could filter it here. I wonder if we can do workaround in here. Hey. All right. What's it asking for? Where is the solution to the vulnerability? No, I don't think that worked. Yeah. Okay. I'm at the download this report, so I'll click here to download. Let's exit that. Download filtered report. Corresponding performance. TLS certification. Corresponding results. I'm trying to see if I can download the report. Remove assets, add assets, report list. I don't think that's it. Okay. Put that here. Okay. I forget you had to click on this. All right. I guess we just download it in a PDF format. Okay. All right, we're looking for workaround. I'm just doing like Control F here. I could spell solution. Where's the solution type in the workaround? Under solution, workaround. I don't know. Workaround, like the solution type workaround right there. What is severity rating of vulnerability in the report? Oh, what is the severity? Okay. What's the severity here? It's a 4.8. Medium. All right, let's just put medium. Yay. What is solution type for the TCP timestamp? Vulnerability. It's low. Oh, solution type. Mitigation. What is the CVE for the ICMP timestamp relay? Let's see. So CVE. It's just CVE. Oh, here it is. It's a old one. It's a 2019. 2000. Wow. 24. Sweet. All right, great. That's done. Moving on. All right, next we'll be looking at remediation. All right, we can assign a remediation or like a task to IT here. Let's see here. So create a ticket for resolving the clear text HTTP vulnerability. We just need to follow those instructions here. Go to the detail view. Go to results. Click on that one. Click on that. Okay, I see. So go back to this. Oh, I was already there. Whoops. Go back one. Here it is. And then the results. Looking at the ICPM. Right. Is that the one we're doing it for? No, it's clear text. All right, clear the text. This one. Click on this little magnifying icon. And then from there, click on this top area here to create a new ticket. All right, we'll just input whatever they say to input. Create a new ticket. This is critical. Can't you read? I mean, I already said it's critical there, but yeah. So rude. All right, cool. Well, done. And if there's a critical vulnerability, it's high priority. High priority. Right, let's move it on. No. So task 7. It's going through the different ability. Protect, detect, respond, recover. It's going to NIST. All right, so I'll just read through this real quick and I'll go through the answers. Okay, the process of listing vulnerabilities as per the order of priority is called, and this is 2 long words. I would say prioritize vulnerabilities. That's just my guess. Let's see. Let's see if that does it. Well, we got them. Which phase entails updating and strengthening resilience plans, restoring any compromised capabilities or services caused by a cyber event. That'd be like restoration, I guess. But there's a one word for that. There's one word for that. Just respond, recover. To recover. It has to be recover. How much you want to bet? Let's bet $20. Yeah, let's recover. I read the details regarding all 5 phases. Yes, I have. Yes, so conclude. All right, read the conclusion, then we'll see the confetti. All right, we have done it, and I'm just gonna open this real quick. Here we go, my snipping tool. So I'm gonna minimize this, exit split view, come over here, click this, and then get my money shot. Yeah, that's my money shot right there, baby. All right, so got it. Bag this room, easy day. On our way to become security engineers, cybersecurity engineers. Let me go to take a look at how far we've gotten so far through this one. This is the security engineer one. It's supposed to be easy, but I felt like it wasn't. That was kind of hard. All right, so we got through this one. Next, we need network security and system security. Okay, great. All right, look forward to the next video. Denny, out.